so with the done for you AI software, you're getting 3 done for you software programs, and I want to walk you through what each 3 of those do. So first off, we have the image creator, so I have that installed here. And all you simply need to do is simply enter a word or phrase that you want an image created on. So for example, if I was creating an article on golf, I could just put in golf course. I hit generate, and the software will then go create your AI image for you that you can then use on your site. So here it created me a great looking AI image of a golf course. I simply hit add image to library, and then it's in my WordPress library. So any post I create, I can go ahead and use that image in it. So that is how simple and easy the AI image creator works. We also have the content creator. So in this example, I simply go ahead and type in a question or phrase that I want ChatGPT to create me content for. So sticking on the same theme, I could say, what do I need to get started playing golf? I hit generate, and the software will go out then and use ChatGPT to create that content for me. So you can see it created that content for me. The great thing too is it comes up in a WordPress editor screen, so I can edit any of that content. In addition, I can go ahead and add an image. So I could choose that image I had just created, or I can just simply go ahead and create article. Now when I click create article, it went ahead and created a WordPress post for me. So I didn't even need to go create a post, it did it all for me. And lastly, we have the rewriter. So with the rewriter, you just simply take some content. So I'm going to go onto my site here and just grab a chunk of content. I paste it in here and let the software go out, use ChatGPT to rewrite the content for me. So as you can see, it went ahead and rewrote the content. Now I can just simply take this content and now use it anywhere on my site that I would like. So that is how the 3 plugins work. The great thing about them is they all work together. So if you're able to sell your customer one of them, chances are they're going to want to buy the other 2 as well, which makes this an excellent way for you to get into the software selling business. It's no secret that AI is making people a lot of money. In fact, I know this from experience because in just the last 2 months, I've done nearly $50,000 using the power of AI. So why aren't you making any money from AI when everyone else is? Well, here's the secret. The real money is not from using AI to create content, create images, or answer some random questions. In fact, it is from software. Because see, everyone wants to use AI, and if you integrate AI into software, it sells like hotcakes. And again, the proof is in the pudding. In the last 2 months, I've done nearly $50,000 in sales just from simple AI software. So I know what you're thinking. Well, I don't know how to create any software. Well, don't worry about that because you don't have to. Because here today, I want to give you 3 done for you, ready to profit AI software programs that you can start selling immediately. So the first one is AI Rewriter. Now, AI Rewriter is a ChatGPT powered software that will rewrite content with a single click. All the user needs to do is simply enter in their text, hit generate, and let ChatGPT rewrite any content for them. Very easy software to sell. It's something that everyone is looking for. The second software is AI Content Creator. Now what this does is it is a ChatGPT powered software that will create done for you content in just a single click. So all the user needs to do is simply ask the software a question. It'll go out to ChatGPT and create that content for you. Again, another very easy software to sell. Everyone wants to get their content done for them. And lastly, we have the AI Image Creator. So this is an AI-powered software that will create images from just a single word. All the person needs to do is enter in a word and it'll create an AI image for them. Now these 3 software programs cover the big 3 things everyone wants AI to do for them, and it puts them in easy to sell software. Now, each one of these programs is already integrated with AI. You don't have to worry about setting any of that up. And each one works with WordPress. So they're simple WordPress plugins that anyone can install on their WordPress site and start using immediately. All you need to do is simply download the software that we've already created for you and that is ready to go, and simply give your customers a way to pay. And just like that, in a matter of minutes, you have 3 done for you software programs ready to start earning you sales. And all three are going to help you cash in on the massive AI craze and start creating some quick and easy sales. In fact, if you go ahead and download these software, get your order button up, you can have your first sale by later today. You don't have to spend months of development, months of paying high cost to developers. Everything is done for you, tested, and all three are ready to go, and you can start selling them as soon as you download them. So again, if you want to really cash in on AI, it's not using AI to create a website that might make you a couple bucks a month. It's not generating a couple images here and there. It's about using AI to create hot selling in demand software. And I'm going to let you shortcut the entire process and grab 3 done for you software programs that are ready to start being sold today. Again, each one is already integrated with AI. They're fully developed, fully packaged. You don't need to set anything up with the software. Again, all you need to do is give your customer a way to buy them, and you are off to the races. So again, if you've wanted to become a software seller, and you really should, because as you can see, it's very, very profitable. And this allows you to skip the entire learning curve, no hiring developers, no huge development costs. It's all right for you here today. And you can have 3 software programs that you can start selling immediately. So again, if you want to really start cashing in on that AI craze, go ahead, grab your software, get your order button up, and you can start making some sales today.